we'll just go around and we'll just have a casual flight. Probably won't even end up posting this. Good God, that's a fast plane. Fast and beautiful. So, I'm going to bring it back in. Wow. Running a little hard. I'm going to just float there in the air. The reason it's able to float there is because of the wind. There's a great amount of wind here today. Well, not a great amount, but you can see there's enough that I get enough speed that way, and then when I come up against fight it. Wow. On this throttle setting. I got lots of throttle to play with on this plane. So I'm just kind of playing around here with the wind and just a low throttle setting. Just having a little fun. One. You know, stop it right in front of us here. With the wind, circle around back, against the wind, really fighting. I don't have her full throttle here. I've got it half throttle. So half throttle, that's where the wind sits. And then coming the other way is nice and fast. Really fighting it on into the wind. With the wind. No throttle. Turn her on again to go against. Quick turn back in towards us. Overhead. Loose there on the prop. Looks like something might starting to sound a little rough. It could just be vibration. Sometimes I like flying on days like this with wind, and sometimes it frustrates me. Today, for some reason, I'm kind of enjoying it. Just seeing it up in the air, kind of like a bird up there. Cut the throttle, let her glide. Look at that. Look at her glide. Give her a little throttle before I lose her. Let's see what we can do against the wind. Do we have enough control? I don't think we do. Just put her down into no. We took a nose plant. Just lost it a little bit there. Lost enough airspeed that it just wouldn't stay up. So that's full out. That's full throttle. And man, she's squarely full throttle today. It's because of the wind. So I think I'll just keep her half throttle. Buzz around for a couple more laps. And then call it a day. I'm probably too far away to see with these glasses, so let's see if we can bring it in a little closer. How's that for a good view? Well, try that. How's that for a good view? Well, try that. A little hard on the nose. Battery going a little bit more dead. Just not having as much pop in the battery to start. Having so much fun that I can't put it down. Almost wish I brought a second battery today. Wind's making barrel rolls a little bit of a challenge. It makes things like that fun. How's that? Almost vertical barrel roll. Okay, let's bring her back. Back and up. Oh, my poor baby. What have I done? Are you okay? Are you all right? And you see, I've now completely broken the fiberglass. Just gonna beg the question, how does it fly without it? Oh, look at that! I stuck it right in the ground. So put these over in the pile of carnage. Check if it still spins up. Still have control. What the hell, one more time. Oh, it flies different without that thing on the front. Oh, good. Wow. What a difference that makes. There's a lesson for you in simple aerodynamics, I guess. That extra little piece on the nose made it fly. The experience I'm having now, obviously you probably can't make it out, but flying this is totally different. And better. By different, I mean better. Way more stable. In both directions. With and against the wind. Okay, I'm really losing battery here and thus losing control. I think the battery was telling me it's time to quit.